to make them bigger and see how much bigger we can make it with a bunch of different other ingredients. So yeah, and yeah, let's go straight on into the video. Yo! Alright guys, first we're gonna do is we're gonna take this 8 ounce and we're gonna put a bunch, and I mean a bunch of shaving cream in it. But first let's do some ASMR because it's really nice. This is a thick pink slime, so yeah. As you can see, it's very thick. This is just a basic glue-all slime. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and start adding this shaving cream. Oh, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna fill this little bowl bucket container up with shaving cream so that we know how much we're putting. Okay, we're putting 1 whole bowl cup thing. I'm gonna put probably like 3. Alright, let's continue to fill it up. Let's make it extra big. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, I'm gonna put 1 more cup because I'm pretty sure this could take like 6 cups. You guys comment down below, watch the video, and comment down below how many cups you think this can take. I think it can take like 6 of these. We're gonna start off with 3 for now. I cannot wait for this fluffy slime. Okay, it's finally starting to come together, guys. It's taking forever, but it's finally starting to come together. Alrighty guys, so I have been kneading this for so long and it like kind of became rippy, so I decided I'm gonna add some lotion to it to try and get it to be softer. So yeah, and then I'm gonna continue adding shaving cream. Alrighty, it's like, this is like a glossy, fluffy slime, guys. This is weird. Alright, so it definitely got more stretchy. I know it's not stretchy like at all, but like that's just how not stretchy and rippy it was before I added the lotion. Alrighty, I think I'm gonna add some more lotion and then we'll add more shaving cream. Alright guys, I added the lotion. It is so much softer now, like way, way better. It's kind of rippy, but I think that's just because it's fluffy slime. But like it is so much stretchier. Like this is so good. Okay, it's very jiggly and like kind of fluffy. It's so weird. Anyway, so let's go ahead and add the rest of the shaving cream to the slime and we'll keep going. Alrighty, here's another cup of shaving cream. Another cup, and 1 more cup. Alrighty guys, let's mix this up. I feel like this is gonna be so much better since I added a bunch of lotion. It's gonna like be able to absorb the shaving cream a little bit better. Oh my gosh, it's like already almost absorbed. Oh my gosh, there's so much shaving cream. It's so like jiggly and wobbly. All right, we still have some in this container, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try and scoop that out. All right, guys, I cleaned out the container and I feel like I could still add some more shaving cream. So I guess we could add more than 6 cups of this. This is crazy, guys. What do you think? I think maybe 10 cups. That's like 4 more cups. Okay, so. Okay, I think this is like 2 cups, 2 containers. Alrighty, let's mix that into the slime. This slime is getting big, guys. This is getting giant. Here's the slime we have created, guys. Now let's go ahead and put it back in the container and see how much more we made. I think that this is like around the size of the container. All right, guys, here's how much we made. We made so much more. I think I need some activator though because it's kind of sticky. But anyways, look at this, guys. Look at how much bigger we made it. Like, this is crazy. Like, all right, that's how much we started off with, guys. And now we have this much more. All right, guys, we made 1 8-ounce into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ounces, which is like 7 times 8 is 56. We made 56 ounces of slime from 8 ounce with just shaving cream and lotion. All right, that's how you do it. All right, guys, let's get on to the next one. And also make sure you comment down below what you, how many you thought it was gonna make. All right, guys, next we're gonna do is this 4 ounce of slime, and we're gonna be trying to make it bigger with these microfoam beads. So yeah. All right, guys, here is the slime. It's just a basic blue slime. It has glue all and regular glue in it, and it's a 4 ounce. So yeah. Here's some ASMR first. Pretty nice, pretty thick and glossy. Alrighty. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and add the foam beads. Whenever I add foam beads to slime, it always like makes like it so much bigger and it never fits back into the container. So I thought it'd be interesting to see how much more it can make. So you guys comment down below how much more you think it will make. I think it will make at least like 5 4-ounce cups. Alright. Alrighty, we're adding 1 4-ounce cup of the foam beads. Alright guys, let's go ahead and mix this in. By the way, guys, I got my microfoam bead bag at Walmart, so that's pretty cool. Just to let you guys know, if you want to get it, it might be at your Walmart. They're also in like neck pillows. Okay, the bad thing, I love these beads so much. Like, they feel so cool. Like, it massages your hand, but like, they go everywhere, guys. Like, what the heck? Every time I use foam beads, they are like everywhere on my floor, everywhere on my counter, and they just fly everywhere when you try and pick them up. So yeah. All right, guys, here is the first stage of the slime. It's pretty nice. Like, it actually looks really cool. It is definitely a little bit bigger. I feel like it was like, it's probably like this much bigger, I think, because I think it was like this big. And I think it's like this much bigger. So yeah, let's keep going, guys. Let's add another 4 ounce of foam beads to this. I'm gonna add it slowly so that I can get like all the foam beads because they kind of go everywhere. Okay, this is gonna get so crunchy, guys. It's already super crunchy. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is so crazy, guys. It's so crunchy. I haven't played with a micro foam slime in a while. All right. All right, let's keep adding. Okay, so we've added 2 cups in total of foam beads, 2 4-ounce, like these little things, into this 4-ounce slime. And so far, it is doing very nice. I really like the texture. It looks cool, and it crunches a lot. I wonder if we could add another cup, and I wonder how much this has, like, how much bigger this has gotten. All right, guys, let's go ahead and add more foam beads. It's like a mixture of how much can it hold and also, like, how much can it make. Okay, that is the coolest thing I've seen. I don't know why, but this is making me, like, this is so amazing to me. Take your cup out and put your foam beads. Was that, like, not the most satisfying thing ever? Okay, I think we're just gonna leave it at this because I don't think I can hold any more foam. And we're gonna go ahead and do one more crunchy, and then we're gonna go ahead and see how much more we made. This has turned into like a cloud slime, guys, watch. What the heck? Oh my gosh. It's not even crunchy anymore, it's just foam. It crunches when you stretch it, more when you like actually crunch it. I think I may have added too much foam, guys. Oh no, it crunches. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and put it in the containers now. How much do you think we made? I feel like we're gonna have like 3 containers, so like 3 times the size. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and start putting them in the containers and seeing how much we made. Alrighty, so that's 1 container, guys. Alright guys, we turned 1 4-ounce slime into 3 4-ounce slime, which is like 4 times 3. We've turned 4 ounces into 12 ounces, guys. Alright guys, let's get on to the next one. Alright guys, here is the next one. It is an 8-ounce, like halfway butter slime. Here it is. Alright guys, here is, it's kind of like puffy, but it's like, it's a butter slime. It's puffy for some reason, I don't know why. Anyways, so for this one, I don't really have a set ingredient. I'm just gonna add like a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna add some shaving cream, some lotion, some clay, and we're gonna see how big we can make this thing. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some more clay to it. So we're gonna add a whole block of clay in there and see what happens. See how much bigger it'll get. Okay, alright, I'm finally done with the butter slime. It just became super duper buttery. So yeah. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and add a bunch of shaving cream. This already has like gotten like 3 times its size, I feel like. Okay, we're gonna add that much and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so I needed this a lot. It's super sizzly now, and it's super like, it's like a really matte butter slime, and it turned out really nice. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some lotion now to try and make it softer. And maybe I'll add some size to it too. Alright guys, here it is. It's a lot stretchier now. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more lotion though, because I feel like it needs just a little bit more, and it should be all done. is so much stretchier and so much nicer now, guys. Here it is, and it is a lot bigger. Alright guys, let's go ahead and put it back into the container and see how much more we made. I don't think we made that much more, but we made a pretty good amount more. That much more, but it made it pretty good. It doubled the amount, first of all, so that's pretty good still. And it also put a little bit extra, 2 ounces extra. And yeah, I mean, I like it, but so far the one that made the most is the shaving cream. That was insane, guys. All right, let's get on to the next one. All right, guys, next one we're gonna do is this pigment slime. Oh, I had to do a pigment slime. This is so beautiful, and I'm gonna turn it into a giant jiggly slime. But first, let's do some ASMR. This is literally a beauty, guys. Look at it. It's like pink with blue pigment, and it turned into like a purplish color, but like you can still kind of see the blue pigment, and it looks so pretty. I think it looks so beautiful, guys. All right, so that's enough. I don't want to put too much bubbles in it. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna be trying to make this slime bigger by putting water. We're gonna see how much water can add, because water adds a pretty good amount. Alright, so let's go ahead and add our slime, and let's just start mixing. That looks so cool, guys. Like, oh my gosh. It like makes the slime like glossy and like so pretty. It's already starting to fall apart, so that's good. Okay, this looks so weird, guys. Like, what the heck? Oh my gosh. Okay, why does that look so cool, guys? Okay, I love how that looks. Okay, all right, let's keep going. I feel like that's gonna make probably 3 more containers of slime. This kind of looks like an octopus, guys. All right, I think I'm finally done. Here it is, guys. What? I think I made a water slide, guys. Oh my gosh. Well, that is a lot. That's very sticky. All right, I'm gonna try and add some activator. Hopefully that helps it, but like, look how pretty that is. All right, that's a lot better. Way, way better. I don't think I was touching slime, guys. I think I was just touching glue. My new and improved jiggly pigment slime. That's interesting. It's like, this reminds me of a store-bought slime. Do you guys think I can add more water? I don't know. I feel like I can't because this is so jiggly already. And like it barely even stretches, so I don't know, guys. Look how jiggly that is. It doesn't stop jiggling. It's so cool. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just drop it really quick. Wait. Alright, here's how it made. It made 1 4-ounce into 3 4-ounce. 2 and like a half 4-ounce. I want to try something though, guys. We're gonna do a little bonus feature. I'm gonna try and add even more water to this slime, guys. Okay, that's good. Let's start mixing. Oh my gosh, that went everywhere. Oh my gosh, okay. This is so pretty, guys. I feel like you can't really see as much in the camera, but like, oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. Look at how jiggly it is. It's like, whoa, did that get like stretchier, kind of? I don't know, I feel like it kind of got stretchy. What do you guys think? Whoa, guys. Okay, this is so jiggly. Oh my gosh. It's, okay, this is just amazing me how jiggly this is. I can't even do any poke glows in it. I don't think we should add any more water. Okay, this isn't even staying in my hand, guys. Okay, there. Okay, there's 1 container. This is such a mess, guys. We made 3 whole containers. Oh my gosh, guys. I think we should do 1 more bonus round. I want to see if I can add even more water. Look how nice and jiggly that is. All right, I'm gonna add a little bit more water, guys. I'm addicted. Somebody stop me. All right, I didn't add too much water. I only added a little bit this time. We'll see what happens. I think it turned into a water slime, guys. Oh my gosh. It's even more watery than before. This is crazy, guys. Oh my gosh. This is the best thing ever. I am just loving this, guys. It doesn't even have any bubbles anymore. It just doesn't have any. It's like completely clear. All right, I'm gonna add even more water. I'm adding the rest of my water, guys. We added a whole cup of water into here. Oh my gosh, guys. This is crazy. Okay, this is insane. I'm having so much fun right now, guys. It's kind of going everywhere. I'm gonna go ahead and try and add some activator. Hopefully that helps. It also might just water it down more, but I think it should be. Yes, it's working, guys. The activator is working. Okay, I made such a mess on my table, but I feel like it was all worth it, guys. All right, we're gonna try this one more time. See if we got one more container, because we made a lot, guys. Alright, guys, we made one more container. We made one 4-ounce into four ounce. Very, very jiggly 4-ounce, but we did it, guys. Here it is. It's a giant mess, but here it is, guys. Alright, guys, well, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment on this one part 2. This is really, really fun, and that was it. Let me so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.